So they're gonna have a lot of deals going on for Cyber Monday. Fits into this hole right here and seals. You should buy something for your better half for Christmas. Everything is loaded up and she's going to reveal the new product here. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and I hope that all of you guys had a good Thanksgiving. If you're in the US, I think this video is going to go up just right after the Thanksgiving holiday. But where I'm at today and what we are doing is I'm actually at Fox Mustang Restoration, and I came in this vehicle, and there's a reason why I came in this vehicle. That's not my truck. I don't own a truck, in case you didn't know. This is my neighbor's truck, Mike. So Mike, thanks a lot for letting me borrow your truck. Today we are picking up the rear end for the FHP in the truck, and we're also picking up the wheels, because the very next video after this one, I'm actually going to be putting the rear end in the car. Yes, I know it's unbelievable that the rear end will be going back in the car. It's been several months, but that is the plan. However, since I'm at FMR today, I do want to highlight a couple things. One of those is that they actually have a sale going on for Cyber Monday. So they're going to have a lot of deals going on for Cyber Monday, and I'm going to highlight a few of those things here today so we can show you that. You can check it out. And also, from the last video I uploaded, Matt was actually working on Peaches, and we found out we need to replace the injectors. So I have that for you today. He's actually replacing the injectors in the process, but I'm going to show you how he cleaned them up. Anyway, let's go ahead and get inside and see what's going on in the shop. Yeah, actually, so I'm in the shop here. These are the injectors Matt actually has going in the car. Like I said, that's what we pretty sure we found out what the issue was last upload. So Matt's over here, he's ripping off the intake already, take those injectors out, which, do we know what pounds those were coming out? Or we got no idea.
Oh,
right?
I have no idea what was in there. No idea.
Other than
I tried
they weren't
crossing the numbers. They kind of look generic. I tried crossing all the numbers that were on it. Nothing anywhere.
Nothing came up
on the good old wise net.
Okay. So yeah, you had the intake off in like 5 seconds. Pretty easy to take.
Something like that. Yeah, pretty easy. Yeah. This one's so stock. Most guys won't even know this freaking thing.
I don't know what that is. Yeah.
This is something that the factory put on that every mechanic hated. Okay. It basically went to one of the lower intake bolts to the upper intake bolt, and it was buried in the back of the motor, and it's a nightmare to get off.
Oh man, so they never put it back?
They never put it back on.
No, they were curious how you were cleaning the injectors.
Yeah, I got some ones that I rejected for the car that I'll go pull out and we can we'll test real quick.
Take a look at that. All right.
Yeah.
All right, so what we got here, Matt?
All right, so I just came across this on the internet. It seems like a really good idea, so I went ahead and give it a shot. It seems to work pretty well. The kit basically comes this nifty little thing. Got a big hole here, small hole here, and you get this. You got 2 battery clamps with the plug, and the plug will go right into the injector. Okay. To activate the injector. So, and what I liked about this, I can test real easy if the injector's even working. Hopefully we can hear this, but you can hear it click. That one's good. Let me find a bad one.
They're all clicking.
Yeah, now they're all gonna be clicking. There we go.
There we go, yeah.
So this is an easy way just to test if the injector's even gonna work.
Yeah, I don't hear anything.
So that one's dead across the board, so that one's in the junker. Right. So this one works. Normally I would ohm them out. The last ones I just ohmed, they all ohmed between 14.3 and 14.4. They're even like that. So anyway, this is how this little sucker works. You leave your injector, your O-ring on your injector. It fits into this hole right here and seals. You do have to hold it in. It will blast out on you. We're gonna
with the pressure.
Right. Yeah. We're gonna wear safety equipment because every time I activate it, it gives you little spurts. So the injector goes into that little hole, seals the O-ring. The nozzle, when you get the I just got carburetor cleaner. Okay. You take the nozzle off, and the nozzle goes right into that little end right there. So all you do is you activate the injector. Right, and then after you got the injector in, you just put this nozzle in this hole, and I'm going to go ahead and put on the my safety equipment.
Yep. Don't want to get hit with that stuff.
I've already blasted myself in the face. So. Okay. So this is pretty cool, and you can watch the spray pattern. I have not cleaned this injector at all. This is the first time this is happening. So if it's a little bit clogged, it'll probably spit and sputter and have a weird pattern at first, and then clean up. So hopefully, injector's activated. So I got to hold the injector in to this, and then I'm going to press it down evenly. Here we go. I just run it through a little bit. And see, you get that little spit there. That's why we wear safety stuff. Yeah, pretty cool little kit. Now, normally on injectors, there are screens in here too. You want to make sure that filter's clear. You can buy packs of the little screens, and you got to put a screw in there, pop them out, and you can pop a new screen in.
That one was pretty good, right? That spray pattern?
Yeah, that one was pretty good. That one started out pretty good, so that wasn't too bad. The ones I did for the car, each one in the beginning was a little spit and sputter, but then it cleaned up. But yeah, I thought it was a pretty cool kit. I don't sell these. I just picked it up on eBay because I was looking to have the injectors clean, and so it was like 10 or 15 bucks.
Oh, that cheap? Okay.
Yeah, super cheap.
That's not bad at all.
You can see the pattern. The one thing that's bad about it, if you send them out to have them cleaned by a professional, they ultrasonically clean them, which can break up some of the bigger chunks that may be in there, that the fluid, that the thinner fluid may
it's
not
going to get past some of those.
Right, so that's a possibility. The other thing is you can't measure volume, so you can't make sure that each individual injector is spraying the same amount. I think it's supposed to be within 2 to 3% of each other. Maybe it was a little bigger tolerance than that. But I can't do that, but I know I got a good pattern.
For budget-wise, this seems to be the way to go.
Exactly, budget-wise. Can of carburetor cleaner in this little kit. So yeah, I think it worked pretty awesome. I'm getting ready to put the injectors I cleaned and put new O-rings in, getting ready to put it in peaches and see if it cleans up. We'll
find out, and if not, back to the oscilloscope maybe.
Exactly. Yeah, my next point is I'm going to check the mass airflows, make sure I'm getting a good pattern on that.
Everybody wants that tool, by the way. I told you guys, you know, in the comments you kept saying I need that, but for $1,500 they're going to hold off, I think. Okay guys, so one of the things I did tell you I was going to do is actually talk about Cyber Monday, because Fox Mustang Restoration has some deals going on, and this video is getting uploaded on Sunday, so if you're seeing it when you upload, you're going to find out all about this. Then tomorrow you'll be able to log into their site and get some deals for Cyber Monday. I believe it's all going to be 10% off. So we've got a couple things. I'm going to bring Matt in here to talk about these. We've got the coin trays, which are kind of new.
Yeah, they replaced the ashtray and the cigarette lighter with just cup holders.
Because who really needs those in 2019?
Right, exactly. And most people would flick them out the window anyway.
That's true, actually. I never thought about that.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah. And then what are these things here we got?
This is nice. You know, you get your cigarette lighter type power well that you know, plug your old school radar detector and stuff into. And then for the new school stuff, we've got two USB ports.
All right.
Yeah, and these are really nice because instead of having to do any custom wiring, they come with a factory style plug that plugs directly into the old harness. So there's no modifications needed.
No custom wiring. Okay.
No custom
soldering.
Wiring. Yep. No customization for any of this. You literally pull your old tray out, the new one bolts in exactly the same. You plug that harness in and you're done.
I think they call that plug and play.
Pretty much.
Pretty cool. All right, so we got a couple colors here.
Yep, we got this is the ones that's been available. 87 to 89 smoke gray, and then we have the 90 to 93 black, which a lot of people will, you know, convert interiors and use there.
Right.
And that's all that's been available since it came out.
So he said that's all it's been. So guys, something exciting happening right here. But we need some help for this, Matt, because I'm not qualified to, you know, you are qualified, but we need her to have something to do. So we're going to introduce Tiffany, the wife, and she's going to reveal the new product here that we're going to have for Cyber Monday. Oh boy, Matt, what are you doing here? What are you doing? This is not these colors. This is a different color. What do we got?
So for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, we did a limited release of some other factory colors. We got the 87 to 89 sand beige. We have the 90 to 92 titanium gray, the 1993 opal gray. A lot of Cobra guys will like that. And then we have the 87 to 92 regatta blue.
Yeah, you did have that, but that's the one I need for my car. No, I'm just kidding. All right, yeah, that's awesome. That's exactly what I need for my car. So you have other colors, and and you can pre-order, right?
Yeah, this is going to be a pre-order. It's a limited time thing for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Whenever you go onto the website to buy them, there will be a ship to date or expected ship date. We expect that to be probably middle of December.
So maybe in time for Christmas?
I would definitely say in time for Christmas.
So these could be good Christmas presents, guys. You know, if you're looking for something for your better half, why not look at getting a coin tray in the right color?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. You know, like maybe you should buy something for your better half for Christmas, potentially. I don't know. But anyway, just a hint there. We'll see how that works out, guys. I forgot the other thing on Cyber Monday, you also have some new old stock parts, right?
Correct. We have some of our premium new old stock parts. Some of the rare stuff I pulled out, put on eBay, put it up old auction style. It's about 46 items. We got everything from an 85, 86 brand new Ford steering wheel to the 86 to 93 pressure and return fuel lines. These are the ones that go all the way down the car, so the box is as long as the car. So yeah, we got some really cool parts up on there. We have an email that's already been sent out with the links in there. You can also find the links on our website at foxresto.com, or you can simply go to eBay and look for seller Fox Mustang Restoration.
Okay, and there's a few more items that you had deeply discounted as well. Is that on your website?
Correct, yeah. If you go to the website under Deal of the Day, there's going to be about 50 items, or I think a little over 50 items that have been specially priced for Cyber Monday. We got some fender hardware kits that are like 50% off as an example. We also have on the upper end, we had master weather stripping kits that sometimes or typically will run between $500 to $575. We've got them knocked down to $400, $450, so you can definitely get some really good deals on there.
Cool, so a lot of good deals there, guys, but definitely check that out. This is the best time of the year to get all the deals. Anyway, I gotta go ahead and load up the rear end because it's getting dark outside, and Matt, I might have you help with that, so we're gonna have to have him change shirts so he can get his, dirty shirt on first.
Got your muscles out.
Yeah, I did bring the muscle. There we go. All right, guys, I was trying to putting the rear end in the truck here, and I didn't hit record, so that's just how it goes sometimes. But anyway, rear end is in the truck. Also got the Cobra wheels that are gonna go on the FHP. So I revealed that in the last upload if you didn't see that, but yeah, these are the wheels that are going on it. Why? Because it's got excellent tires, and it's a 17-inch rim, and I still like them, and I already spent the money on them, so I'm gonna reuse them for now. And you might have heard from the peanut gallery, yes, I am also considering painted 10 holes like originally came on the FHP SSP. But for now, we're getting these. But that could be in the future after we paint it. All right, everything is loaded up. Matt's still working on Peaches there.
Found another nifty little use for this harness.
Did you?
I can use the check injectors. See, I got the battery clamps onto my leads on my oscilloscope here, but I got it set on multimeter function, so now it's just reading resistance, it's just reading ohm.
14 and a half.
14.5.
Is that what it should be?
That's what the other ones were, so.
Okay.
Let's see what we got here.
14 and a half.
Doesn't mean they weren't clogged.
Right,
though.
they still could have been clogged, yeah. Interesting to see if any of them would be completely.
I'm very interested.
Yeah, 4.6.
Like we got 2 more. 2 more? Yeah.
Yeah.
14.5
exactly. Last one.
Oh, we got a bad injector.
23.
There we go.
Let's try it again. Maybe you plugged it in wrong.
Maybe. That lineup notch throws me off every time, that one-way install.
That one-way in? Yeah, you have trouble with that like I do. All right. 23. There we go. Bad injector. Bad injector. Yeah, had a bad injector. There we go.
There we go.
Good job, Matt. I think it's going to run a little better now.
It should. It absolutely should.
So we'll check in back on that and see if those stock injectors fixed his problem. Hopefully it does. And I'm going to do a full review on that car soon because, it's an awesome SSP Georgia Highway Patrol. How could I not? So that's my thing. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.